Hey guys, it's me, Legobrickproductions, back with another Lego video. Today I'll be doing a video on this bathroom slash kitchen tile technique and how to build it. It uses these 2x2 tiles for the outside, and there's a space between them so it looks like real tiles. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to take these 1x2 jumper plates. Let's get that focused. And then you're going to need 2x2 tiles, as well as 1x1 tiles. Now you're going to take your space, whatever it may be, and then I have mine bordered out so that way you can see a little easier. You're going to take your jumper plates and you're going to place it two from the top, and then you're going to kind of do it in a pattern. You'll see the pattern in a second. So just like that, and then you're going to follow that down. So you're just going to do that pattern over and over again, however far you want it to go, however wide, however tall, and you're just going to do that pattern all the way until you get to the end, and that's the end for me. So then, once you have that, you're going to take your 1x1 tiles, and you're going to place it in between the jumper plates into the 1x1 spaces, just like that. Now I'm using different colors here, but you'd probably want to use just one color. So like, if you wanted to use, if you wanted the inside to be just white and black outside tiles, you'd do that. But I'm just using different colors here. And then you're going to take your 2x2 tiles and you're going to place them in the spaces. Just like that. And again, those would be all one color normally. Now you have a filled in area of jumper plates, 1x1 tiles, and 2x2 tiles. Now this is where you're going to take your 2x2 tiles and you're going to make the actual outside area. So you're going to place your 2x2 tiles in a diamond shape relative to your base plate. So just like that. And then you're going to take your other 2x2 tile and place it in the exact same way. And you're going to fill that in all the way until you get to the end. Now here we are, all finished. As you can see, all the tiles, they're not straight. They kind of wobble around. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a credit card or like a piece of cardstock or something, and you're going to go across the insides of the 1x2s and you're going to straighten those out, kind of wiggling the credit card or whatever, and that should get it straight. So thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys use it. Again, it wasn't my idea. It was another YouTuber's, but it's been kind of lost because it's been a couple years now. So again, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys use it. And this has been Legobrickproductions, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.